Hello and welcome back to a new outdoor adventure. Today, Copeland forest. Beautiful. Look at this. Fall day. It's November 16. One of my favorite trails here, Rockopotamus. I love it, although the climb it's pretty big. So I got my new GoPro 11 I got for my birthday. I used to have I still have the GoPro Hero 8, which served me well. Battery is not that good anymore, but anyway, I get to test it. So today is gonna be Superview versus Hyperview 5.3K, because GoPro doesn't allow Hyperview on a 30 frames per second on a 4K, so it's gonna be 5K 30 frames per second. I'm gonna put the videos side by side. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the views. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. It's free. It will help the channel, and I'll see you on the trail. Superview was the one that I was using on my GoPro 8 because there was no Hyperview on the GoPro 8. Can do this. All right. Whew. How was it? Superview. So let me know what you guys think, and I'm gonna let you with some vertical fork work on my bike. See you next time. That was the one that I was using on my GoPro 8 because there was no Hyperview on the GoPro 8.